Hello, my friends. It is August, and I've told you about August, right? August is the take it in the pants month, and it's been a typical August for me. So, I'm a little bit behind in where I want to be for video. I was recently asked, if I could get my next episode out soon because you're all anxiously awaiting. And I'm well aware everyone's waiting. I'm anxiously awaiting to get this next episode out. And this comes to editing. I don't know if most of you are surely unaware of how much time is involved to edit video. I was unaware of what the general standard was for editing video. It's pretty staggering to find that it takes anywhere from 1 to 3 hours to edit one usable minute of video. 1 minute. 1 to 3 hours of editing time to create one usable minute of video. So when I make a 30-minute video, you can assume that anywhere from 30 to 90 hours has been spent editing that 30 minutes of video that you view. 30 to 90 hours has been spent editing that 30 minutes of video that you view. That's a whole lot of time. That's about 3 weeks worth of work if you're into the 90-hour mark. And we're not talking filming, putting things together, uploading, or any of that. That's just editing time. Sitting in this chair, listening to my voice over and over and over and over again, watching the same clips over and over and over again, trimming and making things fit how they need to be. Fortunately, I usually don't spend that kind of time editing. It takes quite a while, and there's also a lot of projects that completely fail. I'll give you an example of one. I had one recently that's going to be part of my next episode of my story. It's about a B1 crash in Texas. I ended up spending 18 hours on that project to come up with 1 hour of video that after reviewing a few times I didn't even like, and it got whittled down to 15 minutes of video. And now I'm contemplating knocking that down to about 3. That's a lot of time spent. The next segments of my story I'm trying to present in as clear a manner as possible. I worked for the Colonel for a short period of time. I'm going to tell you about that period of time month by month. So my next episode is going to cover December of 1992. Lots of things happened during my course of employment. So I'm gonna spend, each segment is going to be a 1 month period. I'm going to try to get these out as fast as I can. I have to spend the time and put all of this material together. Time I have. Financial resources I don't have. So I'm putting out as much as I can put out right now. I'm trying to maintain a video or 2 per week for you all. I wish I had 5 times the patronage and I could put out 5 times the video material. I gotta feed my family. I have recently made some changes to where I will be able to devote more time to video to present my material to you sooner. By doing so, I hope to be able to increase my patronage here on Patreon, bring some more people over from YouTube over here to Patreon to be able to fund these videos. I got a lot I want to put out. Regardless of my story, I'm still going along with the BMW material. This all merges together here as my story rolls along and we get a little bit further ahead. There's a lot more BMW involvement. That's all to come, but this all takes time. I'm going as fast as I can. I want to thank you all for your patience. I know you're anxious to see the next episode. That really, I'm flattered. That's great. I am so encouraged that people want to hear this story and people are researching the material and the links that I'm showing you. This is great, people. Things are going on in the world that aren't very good, and this all ties into it. So I'm really, I wish I could put this material out faster. I'm going to go as fast as I can go. As fast as I can afford to go. So stay tuned. There's more coming from me very, very, very soon. Thank you all. Take care. Bye.